What's up guys? For today's video, if you haven't seen the title already, I'm going to be filming a review on the new Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer. This has been highly anticipated. I am so excited to be trying out this concealer before I hop into the demo. This concealer is $33 and I did get the shade 5 medium. It does claim to be clinically proven results, conceals, corrects, brightens and lifts the look of skin, medium buildable coverage, and 16-hour wear. I won't be doing a check-in, but I will leave how it wore at the end of the day in the description box below, so check that out. And it does seem like they do have a pretty good shade range. She could have gone into honestly darker skin tones too. I feel like she definitely has the money to do that. It says it's a radiant finish, good for dark circles, which I have, medium coverage, hyaluronic acid, long wearing, best for dry, combo, and normal skin. So I am combo, but I am oily in my T-zone. A creamy skin-like medium to full coverage concealer that visibly conceals, brightens, lifts eyes and face, available in 30 waterproof shades with up to 16 hours of wear. And I like to read the how to use section just because there's a lot of things here that you may not know. So it says conceal areas of concern face, utilize a shade that is perfect for your skin match, brighten the look of dark circles and under eye area. You use a concealer that is 2 shades lighter than your perfect match, visibly lifts sculpt face, apply concealer to corners of mouth, the corners of the nose, and inner and outer corners of the eyes, and blend and lift. Alright, so let me zoom you in a little bit. Now that you're zoomed in pretty close up to my face, and as you can tell, I do have pretty dark circles. I am wearing foundation. I'm wearing the Rare Beauty foundation, the shade 210N. So this is the actual concealer itself. Hopefully it is my skin tone. And here is the applicator itself. So I'm going to apply this to the inner portion. Oh, this is actually not a bad match. Right here it does feel a little thick. Nothing too crazy. I love that the wand's a little skinny, so I can go down my nose pretty well. And then make that tree. I do have a acne spot right here, so let's see if that covers that up or emphasizes it at all. And this is gonna be my second time dipping into the product. Go on my chin, cupid's bow, a little bit on here again, just because this is where I need the most coverage. So I will be setting everything as per usual. Just because, like, if you haven't seen my concealer reviews already, I like to set with a pressed powder, then with a loose, the double set, just because I am pretty oily. So that's what works for me, and I want to give this concealer a fair shot. So I grabbed my beauty blender. Sorry that it is dirty, it's stained. I'm going to start on my chin. That blended out so nice. And I see that the beauty blender, I mean, obviously it does soak up a little bit of product, but it's not that bad. It's blending out like a dream. Let me use a brush for my under eyes. Okay, scratch that. I don't know where my favorite brush is, so I'm gonna use my beauty blender. Sorry about that. I do like leaving my concealer a little bit longer on my face, just because it does tend to get more coverage. Wow, look at the difference. I do love Charlotte Tilbury. I feel like she can never do wrong in my eyes, so I can be a little bit biased, not gonna lie. But her products have never really disappointed me. Whoa. Okay, let me add a little bit more and see how it builds. And this doesn't have a scent to it, so I like that. Particularly more in the inner corner. This is where I have like problems with. This is gorgeous. Whoa. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that, but look at my skin. It's not emphasizing my pores. It doesn't look cakey after I put a little bit more on. And my breakout's doing kind of well on that. I mean, it is kind of dry in that spot. So I've also been picking at it, so that could be it. But my skin looks flawless. Ignore my eyebrows, I need to pluck them. I'm gonna zoom you out. Alright, so far I am loving this, the way that this looks on my skin. I am so mad but yet so happy because it is kind of pricey, but you know, why not? If it's worth the money, why not splurge on it? So let me go ahead and do the rest of my makeup and I'll pop back on. Alright guys, I am done with my makeup, so I'll zoom you into the concealer. And if you see those sparkly stuff on there, I am sorry. I accidentally used a brush that I used for a highlighter, and there's a little bit of highlighter on my cheek. It's not from the concealer. I am in love with this concealer. I love the way it looks. I thought honestly I was gonna hate it, but upon application and blending it and setting it, it was perfect match, the perfect tone, the perfect everything. I just want to see how it wears throughout the day. So I will keep you guys updated. I did do a tutorial on this eyeshadow look, so that will be that next video that you'll see. So far I am loving it, not emphasizing my pores. I did get done at 11:57. So yeah, I'll zoom you out. Like I said in this video, if you guys are curious on how this concealer wore throughout the day, I will leave it in the description down below. If you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give me a like. Comment down below. Will you buy this concealer? Is it gonna be something you'll love? Is it something you'll pass? Honestly, I'm loving it so far. I'm so happy I got my hands on it. Let me know your guys' opinions down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give me a like and hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video.